Welcome, and I imagine you would like to know what the notebook should look like, and so I want to do a brief video how you might put your notebook together. Here is the blank that I've uploaded that you can use as a template, and this will be for your week 1 notebook. Notice there are 2 lectures, and you see them here, lecture 1, lecture 2. Lecture 1 is Where is the Garden of Eden? And then lecture 2 will be How is the Garden of Eden like, the tabernacle, and Ezekiel's temple. Now, what I'm envisioning you to do here is, first of all, type your name. And again, I'm expecting you to have worked through the homework assignments before you come to class, do the initial work. And then in class, this is the only legitimate use of laptops, but in class you can add to these notes and then upload them at the end of the week. So for our Tuesday lecture, we'll do Where's the Garden of Eden? And what I want you to do is each time we'll have you read through some initial part of Scripture. And so I want you to read through Genesis 1 and 2 and then make some observations. There are parallels between days 1 to 3 and 4 to 6. You might find that, or I'm confused about, and you fill it out. So you'll make some observations on the text, and one of the things I want you to do is to work very hard, make your homework look good. When you're in the real world, how things look are important. And so we're going to learn how to use kind of these formatting tools too. And if you use headings 1, 2, and 3, I don't know if you knew this, but you can actually use that, and it will actually reorient where things are. You move whole sections when you do that. So what I want you to do is to read through that section of Scripture, make some points. If you really want to get fancy, you can put a different, you can work on the formatting, whatever makes most sense to you. These are your notes, your homework. Work through, and we're going to connect Genesis 1 and 2 and ultimately Revelation 21 and 22. And just kind of as a parting little note, can you find any parallel passages? This is going to be very important when we come together as a class, because we're going to see that often those parallel passages will help you understand the original passage. Kind of some application questions. What do you find most interesting about these passages? What do you find most challenging? What are some of the things that God of the Bible is claiming about himself? This is a very important question. How is Jesus like or unlike any of the characters in the story? If they're positive characters, how is he like that? Negative characters, how is he a contrast? And how are you like or unlike any characters in the story? So this, I imagine, probably take you a couple of hours to work through. If you wanted to do really well, I encourage you to do that with other people as well. And then for our Thursday lecture, we're going to do the same thing with some other passages and ask the same questions. And you're welcome to add to these when you take notes in class. I will let you upload the homework assignment. I guess I might wait until the end of class. I think I'll do that at the end of class on Thursday to upload, and that way you can include your notes, your class notes. the section, and that will be your week 1 homework. When you upload it to Brightspace, I'll pull it up. I'll go through and I'll say this looks really good, or this looks minimal work, whatever. And then we'll go to week 2. So you'll turn in one of these every week. It will have some questions in the template, and put your answers right here and take your notes right here. And then that will be what is worth the 30 points for that week. I hope this is helpful. Look forward to seeing you in class. It's going to be a great class, and so I'll see you next time.